Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method based on 25-minute stretches of focused work broken by 5-minute breaks. The Pomodoro Technique essentially trains people to focus on tasks better by limiting the length of time they attempt to maintain that focus and ensuring restorative breaks from the effort. What does the Pomodoro Technique entail? The Pomodoro Technique can also help individuals develop more efficient work habits. To this end, the Pomodoro Technique includes 5 incremental processes to help develop a conscious and productive relationship with time. The core process serves as the foundation for achieving the Pomodoro Technique in a sustainable way. It defines the following 5 steps for staying focused on the tasks at hand throughout the day. More importantly, take whatever steps necessary to stay focused on a task during the Pomodoro and avoid interruption. Individuals need to protect their Pomodoro from both internal and external distractions. Various implementations of the Pomodoro Technique use different time intervals for task and break segments.